Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam Okonkwo. As promised, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make crochet coils. This is an affordable way to slay and make wigs. So I'm basically going to teach you how to make affordable crochet coils from your Xpression. This is ultra Xpression braids. This is the small one, not the big one. So these are the things that you'll be needing for this. You'll need the pack of attachments. It can be the big one, it can be the small one, it can even be like any color of your choice. You're going to need some leave-in oil moisturizer. This is like a conditioner. Then you're going to need hair cream. You're also going to need some beeswax. This is not compulsory, but I usually still just use it just to give you some style. And most importantly, you're going to need some ori, which I bought in a nylon here, some scissors, and then a small comb. The first thing you want to do is to cut the pack. Now, depending on the length that you want, you can make it longer than this, but I cut this into 3. And now once you've done that, you want to pull the ends so that it's not as blunt as this. So detangle it so that you don't waste attachments. I like separating it in bits like this. So once you're done combing it, it's going to look like this. And I'm going to basically take a bit. Much is okay, and I'll use the small comb to comb through it. Next, I'm going to apply the hair cream and the ori are basically the same thing. So if you don't have hair cream and you have ori, personally I prefer to use ori because it's conditioning. So once I'm done, I'm going to take a beauty blender, a bending, a flexi rod, put this at the beginning like this. Make sure it's equal. Once you're satisfied it's equal, move it all the way up and then twist like this. And then this from the hot water and then to dry it. Once I've poured out the hot water, I'm going to go ahead and use this styling lotion and basically rub it around the curls. This is to make the curls extra strong. And this is the finished work, guys. So basically, if you want, you can trim out the ends because they tend to stick out, so you can just trim it so it can look neater. And then you stretch, it's elastic, it can last forever because of the styling lotion that I used. So it's going to be very durable. So that's basically it about creating crochet coils from your Xpression attachments. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more of this video, make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope to hear from you guys if you tried this. And yeah, take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah.